Nagpapareho. Wow! And guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Hilton Garden Inn kami right now. Siyempre, kasama ko aking asawa kasi may work siya for 2 days. Overnight siya, kaya may free room accommodation. At kasama ko. Ilang beses ko na ito nakukunan. But, syempre, iba ngayon. So, take tayo ng mga ano. Ito yung snack bar nila. Well, I brought my own. Because, syempre, expensive. Diba? So, ayan. Kakain na ako dito. Kakain na ako. Hello, good morning. Natin anong meron sila. Uy, kukuha na naman ako ng tea later. So, may cherry muffin, date muffin. Okay, it's sugar donut. Ayan. Last time I took video, pero hindi siya clear before. I don't know. Pero I think that's dinner time. So, this time still the same. Still the same. Here are the peanuts and the dates and all the nuts and chums. As you can see, the yogurt section. I think the mango granola is very nice. Yeah. Cold cuts, pickles, chapati. Here's my starter. As usual, fruits, veggies, cold cuts, croissant and cheese, and then ito meron akong fresh juice and masala tea na karakti. I'm not alone, my husband is here. So having breakfast also. Kasi naka-duty siya, may work siya today. Okay, guys. Can I have again the karakti? The same sugar, Yes, yeah. Thank you. They have hash brown. From Johnson also. Oh, this cheese manicure, she's nice. And shakshuka. Mini pancakes. Sausage. Okay, condiments. Have the green peas. Right. And have the parato. And as usual, and coffee. This is my second course. Ayoko mag-rice kasi kumain na ako ng cheese sa bread. So ito, pero nag-order ako ng egg benedict, which is balikan ko na in a few seconds. Naka-ready na siya. But this is nice, no? But nabusog kasi ako sa salad. And this one. I'm going to show you how it looks like. Yung place. Ayan. Mag-watch. There. Ayan. Di nawala yung tabasco. Ito, nag-order ulit ako ng karak chai. Sarap niya kasi ng pagkagawa niya. So, ngayon si Habi wala na. Back to work na siya kasi siya ang duty manager. So, that's it. That's it. Morning.
How was the day?
Good. How are you? Good morning. Oh, now I see you smiling. Hi, I'm fine. How are you? Good. How are you, chef? I asked for egg benedict. Cereal section. So, guys, ito yung labas. So you can dine here. Medyo malamig pa. But it's getting, na kasi, summer na kasi actually. So, ayan, pwede kayong upo sa labas. It's cool, and whatever. So, siguro later on. So, ito yung harap ng Hilton Garden Inn. It's nice here. Pasok na muna tayo. Baka nandun na aking egg benedict. enjoy ako dito ng gusto. Maybe later, I'll try to make or maybe tomorrow, meron pa kami isang araw. Here comes my egg benedict, my favorite talaga to. Ay, sakat natin itong ano. Isa naman. Natin pagpareho. Wow! Guys, I'm happy for my poached egg. Oh, it's egg benedict. It's really tasty and just right, ano, ang tawag doon, yung ano niya, yung yolk niya. It's a medium cook, so it's oozing. Let me just do this again. Actually, I would like to put hot sauce, which I have. Tabasco. Let's put Tabasco. Oh, too much. Yan po, ito po ang ating yan. Really yan. You know guys, they have good food here. Masarap siya, but limited nga lang. Unlike sa ibang it's really guys sa Manila, Hilton Manila. Punta kayo doon. As in, super breakfast nila. With 5 kinds cuisine, no? From different countries. May from India rin. May from mga Asian countries, no? So, may Korean. So, try nyo rin. But here, in Kuwait, okay naman siya. Kasi nga, pag buffet naman, hindi mo kaya, gustong full, no? So, you can always consider Hilton. Masarap kasi yung pagkain.